good morning. Welcome to my channel. I am Martha. I want to welcome you. I have a video for you today with a craft for fall, and it is, of course, all Dollar Tree items, but I think it turned out super cute, and I believe this will be my last fall decor video or craft video. And I'd like to put it out early in the season because if you like what I'm making, I want you to still have the opportunity to go out and find the items before they sell out. So I'm going to show you what it looks like just in case you want to stay tuned and see how I made it. And here it is. It says fall has arrived. So if you like the way that this turned out, I hope that you will stay tuned. Look at that. Even the little base is from Dollar Tree items. And if you want to see the back, here it is. So where I'm putting this is going to be against the wall, so I don't have to worry about the back. But just in case you're putting it somewhere where you will see the back, I try to make it nice on both sides. That craft is just going to be a segment of the video, and then I'm going to show you little bits and pieces of how I decorated my living room, dining room, and kitchen area, since I already put up a video of how I did the guest bathroom. I don't really decorate the bedrooms or my other bathrooms for fall. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're new, I want to welcome you, and as always, I want to thank my returning subscribers. And my next video is going to have nothing to do with crafting. It has nothing to do with any fall or any season. So I hope that you will join me for that video. You take care. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead, and I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye. And these are the things I'm going to use for the craft. I got 3 of these beautiful metal pumpkins with the stake that you stick in the ground. I'm going to remove the stake, and I'm going to use this beautiful lighter orange. I got the darker orange, and I also got a white one. I'm going to use 2 of these floating shelves. I got at Dollar Tree as well. Some fall leaves and some Jenga blocks, and the beautiful bling that I got, some mums, and I think that's about it. Let's get started. I've printed 3 words in my Cricut, and I am going to stick those to 1 word to each of the pumpkins. If you don't have a Cricut, that's fine. They sell letters that you could stick on at Dollar Tree as well. And it says fall has arrived. Next, I'm going to open up the floating shelves, and I'm going to put those aside because first I'm going to glue the 3 pumpkins together, one on top of the other. I am going to use the lighter orange on top, the white one in the middle, and the darker orange in the bottom. I want to use the 2 floating shelves as a base for the pumpkins. I want there to be a gap between the 2 floating shelves, so I'm using 3 Jenga blocks to separate the 2 of them, and then I'm going to hot glue the pumpkins in the center. The Jenga blocks don't only serve as a way for there to be a gap between the 2 shelves, but it also serves as a resting place for the pumpkins because they'll just be sitting right on top of it, and then I'll glue the pumpkins to the shelf on both sides with some hot glue. I'm using some craft sticks that I have, and I happen to have some orange ones that works perfect, but they're not going to show anyway. But I'm using the craft sticks to stabilize the pumpkins, so I'm sticking them into the hot glue, and that really did work. Okay, so it's time to decorate the base of the pumpkins, and I just think this is the funnest part of all. I'm going to be using some bling, some mums, I'm going to use some fall leaves, a pumpkin, and you can use whatever it is you like if you decide to make this project. So let's see how this turns out. Once again, thank you for joining me today. I'm going to give you one more quick look at how this craft turned out. I think it turned out really nice. I'm going to show you how it looks in my little table in the dining room, and I'm also going to show you some of my decor that I put out for fall. Like I always say, you guys, it's nothing fancy. I have a very humble home, but I hope that you enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.